Hello everybody, my name is Agastya Sandre. So today we are going to do CDF points. So CDF points is today I will make videos of 4 subjects: maths with JEE, physics, chemistry, and maths. Another maths is CBS. So okay, so let's start. So we are going to do maths first. Maths topic is functions. Function symbol is F. I told it first because it's okay. The points is 15 to 18. So don't think means I am not a teacher, I am a student. Okay, I will explain in my own words. If you got it, it's good. If you don't, then like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you don't, then still stay in this video. Let's start fast. 15 to 20. 15 point, what it says. Now let F be F of A elements to B. Okay, this is wording I forgot a little bit. I'm a student. Okay, so F of A elements to B, to the B of elements. Sorry, F of elements of A to elements of B. Sorry. And now I'll consider it as bijection. Now bijection, if you will ask me question that what is bijection? Bijection means, I think my teacher told, one function and onto function. If they are both, it is called bijection. Okay. Now then I consider this as bijection. Then I wrote G of elements of B to elements of A. Understood? This much understood. Now see what happens. Each element associates with Y belongs to a set of B. मतलब Y belong करता है B के सेट को to a unique element. एक unique element को वह क्या करता है, associate करता है. ये मतलब each element associates with this and this associates with a unique element. What is a unique element? X belongs to a set of A. Got it? Very good. And now this point will connect to this point. Now because of this point will belongs to set. This is belong sign. Okay. Belongs to set. I told this much. Now it connects to F of X is equal to Y. You can write like this now. F of X is equal to Y. Means whenever question comes, instead of fx you have to put y. Y is equal to that, right? There you have instead of points, not for worksheet. Then if you see this kind of function, then it is called inverse function. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Inverse function. जैसा points में दिया वैसे ही कर रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. Inverse function also you can write inverse of F. Inverse of F or inverse function. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, now see inverse. I'll write this directly. The unit for inverse. Why? Spelling mistake. I should work. Inverse of F is denoted by. It is denoted by F raised to power -1. This symbol you remember, okay? This is the denotation. Unit, you can say unit, denotation, or anything. Instead of unit, you can say denotation. Denotation. It's not unit. It's not physics, chemistry. Denotation for inverse of function of f is f raised to the power -1. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. This was the first point. Okay, let's go ahead. 16 point what it says, the graph y is equal to fx. Now I have the graph. I can't show you here, just imagine y is equal to fx. This is my graph equation. Okay, this is my graph equation. Y is equal to fx, and I have one more graph which is y is equal to f raised to power minus 1 x. Now you will be saying this is the inverse function. Yes, correct. Opposite of this correct. But there is a if condition now. If these are two lines, okay, this is one line and two line, second line, first line, second line. Now you might be some might be thinking, why am I saying line? Because it's a graph. In the graph there are lines, so there are two lines. Now there is a if condition. If these two lines meet or intersect, if these 2 points intersect at, or you can say meet intersect at on meet on the line y is equal to x only. If they meet on this line, hence the solution of y fx is equal to fx minus. So the solution of this will be fx is equal to x. This will be your solution. Okay. If you don't understand point C, what it says, the graph I wrote two lines, y is equal to fx and y is equal to f to raised to the power minus 1x. If condition. What is the if condition? If they meet intersect on the line called y is equal to x, they both meet on the same line only. Hence the solution of fx is equal to f to the power minus 1 of x will be fx is equal to x. Okay, you should remember this one and this one. They will asking exam, in my opinion, or I don't know what it does. Okay, 17 point. What does 17 point say? 17 क्या बोलता है? There are two sub points. First sub point, every identity function is a bijection. Yes, this is correct. Every identity na? Identity I only pronounced wrong. Function is always a bijection. Correct, it's a correct point. Bijection what I said meaning one function and onto function. So there is no need to write because you have to remember it. Every identity function is a bijection. Correct. This is the point you just remember. There is no explanation. There is explanation, but it looks simple to me. Every identity function has its own इनवर्स। दो पॉइंट है, क्या है? एवरी आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन हैज अ बाइजेक्शन, इज अ बाइजेक्शन, its own is a bijection, and every identity function has its own inverse. It's correct. There is no such function, they don't have the, there is no such function, they don't have their inverse only. There is no function is there. Every function has its own inverse. Okay, got it. 18th point. 18. Now again I will write two functions. First function a, first function f is a, b, elements of a to elements of b, and one more I will write g, b, elements of b to elements of c. Here there is a change here. c अभी a के पास नहीं जाएगा. Now see, I will explain you with this, with the one diagram, small diagram. Now a, b, c. Now what are they saying? They will transfer the elements from a to b and b to c. So now see, can you observe, if a to b elements are going and b to c elements are going, then of course automatically a to c हो जाएगा. a to c हो सकता है ना? a to c हो सकता है कि नहीं? दिया नहीं है इसका मतलब नहीं कि है. This is an imaginary line. Elements can pass from a to c also, of course automatically, because it is connected. Okay, this is the explanation of this point. Okay, you remember this one. Wait a minute, meanwhile take the screenshot and read. Okay, this I will explain one more time with another diagram. I hope you can see this side. 3 circles are there. No, size does not matter. A, B, C. A, B, C. According here, A, C. A, B, C. This B is common, of course. So A, B, C. Now what I will do? Here at the center point, first, of course, we start from A only, or C, B, A, B, C, C, B, A. I will name this as X. This circle as X. Now, A is having X elements. How many elements? X elements. Now, I will transfer these elements to B. What do I do? Transfer these elements to B. And I name that line as F. I'll name this transversal transferring understand na? Transferring line as F. Now this circle's name will be F of X, because F is also joined with X now, so it is named as F of X. Now I will draw one more line to C. One more line to C. Okay. Now here this transferring line is, I will name it G. Now this will go that side. What will happen? this will go, that's it. And now see what is the function. The function will be g of f of x. समझा क्या? x to this, the join this fx and this g join. Now don't get confused. What is o here? O means off. Bracket means also off. I will show you something. Wait. Is there a head in the points? Okay, yes, is there. Okay, I'll explain you later. Wait. Now I told the same here. Let's apply logic here also. Now I will take it this side. एलिमेंट्स वापस ए को भेज देना है, ठीक है. और ये कौन सी लाइन होगी? जी ओ एफ. ये होगी जी ओ एफ. ये जी ओ एफ की लाइन है, ठीक है. अभी हमने क्या किया? जी ओ एफ और एक्स ऐसे जा रहे थे. X continued the road, so X reached first and they left here itself only. X went first and GOF got stuck here only. Okay, so now AC you can see GOF. Finally, I will denote it as GOF. Now I will tell you what is GOF. GOF अभी x is equal to GOF, ठीक है. करेक्ट लिखा है ना मैंने? हाँ, करेक्ट लिखा है. इसको ब्रैकेट में डाल दो. Here what it says, see. Here क्या बोलता है देखो. X, okay, x is equal to g of, ठीक है. कैसा है ध्यान में रखो. ये कैसा हुआ, कैसा फॉर्म हो गया, देखा, देखो देखो कैसे फॉर्म हो गया, देखो. g of अभी क्या दिया है? ऑफ. ऑफ का साइन मैंने ब्रैकेट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. कैन यू सी? ब्रैकेट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है, ठीक है. अभी g ऑफ f ऑफ x. This will be your, if you got any questions, so this format you will follow. GOF कभी कभी आता है FOF, कभी ऐसे ही देते हैं वो FOF, ऐसे देते हैं कभी कभी. So don't panic, it's very easy. Okay, this was the 18th point. Let's go ahead. We are on 18th point. We have to speed up. Okay, next point. What is the 19th point? Maths. Okay, maths. Focus. We are doing maths only. The compositions of functions. I just wrote in shortcut. Compositions of functions is not commutative. Hope you studied the commutative law. It's not equal to commutative. Commutative. Correct. So IE means, that means FOG is not fog, is not equal to GOF. हम इसका इनवर्स कभी नहीं कर सकते, समझा क्या? वेरी गुड, दिस इज अ परमानेंट रूल इन जनरल. ओके, इन जनरल हो सकता है पर जनरल नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, समझा? इजी पॉइंट था. 20. Composition of functions is not commutative, but composition of f of x is associative. It is associative. That means, मतलब अभी इसका क्या मतलब होगा? I can write like this, don't get confused, just remember. GOH. Got it? Now here this one you remember. Here I have provided F, G, H. Okay, so if these are provided, hence F, O, H. No. If now I have provided this in this side, or we can say this equation. Okay, so I will say F, G, O, H exists. 20 point भी हो गया. Hope you are understanding. Let's increase our speed. Let F, now again let option K. Let A elements of A pass to elements of B. Okay, and one more, of course. But remember, we are taking B to C now. Okay. Now I have wrote this again, so you're not confused. Okay, if these are two what we can say functions I have given here. Now let them be, each of them be bijective. Now I am letting the be bijective, letting them both be bijectives. So we have two bijectives. Two bijectives we have. Bijective, I will write the meaning here. One function and onto function. Onto function. Absolute space will remain. Now I told you that circles. Now if I say B to C, one more is remaining. GOF of A to C. I have wrote this before. Do you remember? Hope you. So this, if they are bijective, what will happen with this? This kind of conditions can come. If both are bijective, then of course automatic this will also be bijective. Yes or no? इतना easy point है. एक मिनट, अगर किसी लोगों को समझ नहीं आए तो ये फॉलो करो. ये एलिमेंट्स इधर, ये एलिमेंट्स इधर. ओके, अभी हमने बोला कि A और B एक बाइजेक्टिव है और B और C एक बाइजेक्टिव. बोला कि नहीं बोला? अभी बोला. ठीक, अभी मैंने बोला ए टू सी या सी टू ए रिटर्न हो सकता है ऑटोमेटिकली। अगर ये कनेक्ट हो गया तो ए और सी भी कनेक्ट होंगे ऑफ कोर्स। ओके, मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट का डायग्राम है, ठीक है। दिस इज मैथ्स, so focus on maths. If now see I told elements connected, so A and C will be also connected, but now we are talking about bijective. If A B is bijective and B C is bijective, automatically A to C and C to A C will be bijective. Of course, this is an easy concept. Okay, easy points, easy on this side. Second. क्या लाइन है? 8. बस हो गया, थैंक यू। 22nd point. Now again I let something A to B. Again I let something F is equal to A to A. A to A. Okay. पर अभी यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है, A से A को ही पहुंचा दिया एलिमेंट्स, सो हम यहाँ नाम देंगे A, I नीचे A, इसका मतलब है इनवर्स सिंबल। डिनोशन तो ये था, पर इसका इनवर्स का सिंबल ये है, I और नीचे छोटा सा A। अब तुम पूछोगे A क्यों? A जनरल सब लोग यूज करते हैं मोस्टली। इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेंज, लाइक इफ we take X everywhere, you can say A B C D F G still G, there are no more alphabet. Okay, पर मोस्टली A यूज करो, इजी पड़ता है। See, I told you. And I of B to B, B to B. So these are two identity functions. Okay, identity functions है ये, identity functions, two identity functions. On A and B. Okay, अभी मैंने ये कंडीशन दिया, अब इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या मिलेगा? इसका सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा अभी एक लिखते हैं। आई ए का क्या मिलेगा? I A X. You remember this only. This is little bit complicated. X. हाँ, ये वाला साइन आप याद रखिए, ये, ठीक है, ये वाला साइन आप याद रखिए, ठीक है। X belongs to a set of A. ओके, तो ये हो गया। Ignore the background noise. And same for I नीचे b. X is equal to x of a उल्टा a x. I will find what is that उल्टा a. Okay. एक मिनट अभी ढूंढता हूँ, तब तक आप पढ़िए. तब तक आप पढ़िए. For all, okay. I found it. What is the meaning of this? Okay. तो यहाँ पर a का मतलब क्या है? a का मतलब है for all. मैं 1 मिनट में है. ठीक है, इमरजेंसी थी इसलिए आया. ठीक हो गया, क्लियर हो. फॉर ऑल, ये ए का मतलब है फॉर ऑल. अभी मैं पता लगाया, इसका मतलब है फॉर ऑल. ओके, कैमरा इससे क्यों हो गया? ठीक है, हो गया. इग्नोर दिस, दिस इज अ सब्जेक्ट नेम. ओके, सब्जेक्ट का नाम है ऊपर, और पॉइंट्स कितने वो भी लिखे हैं. ठीक है, आई होप यू कैन सी हाफ. सॉरी, सबसे मेन पार्ट ये है जो सिखा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, उल्टा ए मतलब फॉर ऑल. अभी मैंने बोला आई ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स फॉर ऑल. फॉर ऑल एक्स बिलोंग्स टू ए. ये याद रखो, ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, ये और ये. देन अगर ये हुआ तो क्या होगा, किसका होगा, कैसा होगा? Then f of I to a, ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. f is this is equal to f. बस अगर हमने ऐसे बोला फॉर ऑल, ये कंडीशन दिया, तो f of function of I a means inverse of a is equal to f. और and हिंदी और आई बी इज इक्वल टू, करेक्ट किया कि मैंने नहीं ऐसे किया तो एरर आएगा. ये जो फंक्शन है ना, ये आपके कंप्यूटर वाले मैथ्स में आएगा.